Here is a quick comparison between Dokploy and Portainer. Dokploy is anywhere with total freedom and ease. You can actually use it doing GitHub or Discord. It is powerful deployment tailored for you, and as you can see, it has a lot of features that you can use on your end. It is also very accessible to everyone. On the other hand, Portainer delivers an enterprise-grade container management platform simplified and engineered for everyone. So this is an actually good application if you are just a beginner when it comes to this kind of development platforms. As you can see, it has everything you need, half the cost, and then you don't have to pay very big if you want to use it. Now, here's a table for a concise comparison. For the primary focus, Dokploy has a PaaS-like application development, while Portainer has a universal container management. For core use case, Dokploy is deploying full application from Git or Docker Compose, while Portainer is visualizing deploying to networks. For multi-server orchestration, Dokploy's strong focus on multi-server, while Portainer has excellent support for managing single Docker hosts. So if you want a multi-server, Dokploy is good for you. But if you want only a single server, Portainer is the right one for you.